Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I upload new video. So for today, I'm going to share with you guys how I decorated for the daughter of my best friend's birthday. So basically, we are using two-toned balloons, which is chrome gold and also a pastel pink. This is originally inspired as ballerina themed birthday, and we ended up with this idea. But anyway, throughout the process, you will actually understand how or the overall tutorial that I'm going to show with you guys. Disclaimer, I am not a professional balloon decorator, so just bear with me while I'm doing this tutorial, or just stay with me guys while I'm trying to finish my decoration. So I hope I can hear some comments, or what can you say about the overall outcome of this video. If you like more of this, please do like, also share this video with your friends so that you'll have an idea in the future, and also this will really give me or inspire me to do more videos like this, or better videos like this. See you guys. Thank you. By the way guys, for this project I used around almost 100 pastel pink balloons, and also around 30 pieces of chrome gold balloons in different sizes. So I think I was using sizes 12, 6 inches, and also 28 inches, and the one is 36 inches balloon. So you can find it on the online stores like Amazon, Shopee, or Lazada. You can find these materials there. So here, as you can see, I'm trying to attach the small balloons at the end of the arch. So right now I'm trying to locate the base, or doing the base of the arch. So I have a lot of friends who were actually helping me throughout the process, because it's really quite difficult doing this alone. So you need a lot of helping hands on this procedure. So I'm trying to squeeze some of the balloons as much as possible. On the lower side, you will need to use the bigger balloons, and on the upper side, or at the end side of your arch, you're going to use the small ones. I want to point out on this part that I actually made a mistake. Supposedly, after the base or the background stand is the curtain, and then the fairy lights, and supposedly the styrofoam, not the balloon. So just a reference, when you're doing this in the future, supposedly after the fairy lights, it should be the styrofoam, and use a nylon to hang it. So in my case, I really did a big mistake, and I just realized that after decorating the balloon. will need a lot of balloons on the base, so that's one of the reasons why we need a lot of balloons. It's actually on the base part of your arch. So we decided to set up the table here because we're running out of time, since we already planned this table setup ahead of time. I'm also going to share with you guys some pictures at the end of this video, so that you'll get some ideas what kind of cake you're going to use. Also, how are you going to set up your table. So right now I'm adding the flowers on the balloons. I am using a double-sided tape for this, attaching it to the stem of the flowers so that it won't move at all. I'm going to play some links or videos tutorial how I made the styrofoam, also the number 3 standees. So make sure to check that out on the description box or check out my videos. Make sure to like and subscribe on this video. Share this with your friends and families so that you'll have a reference in the future. See you on my next one. Bye!